Okay, this is session to answer homework question for a 3.7. 3.7, we learn how to solve inequalities. So the first thing we should do is to put everything on one side. Okay, this is 3.7 number 7. So we're going to put everything on one side first. And then because of 4 terms, so we're going to factor this by grouping. So we group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. And then now we're going to take out the x squared and minus 4, take out the negative 4. Everything in front of here has to take out. And then you will have an x plus 4. And you can really see if you make a mistake or not by looking at these 2 has to be same, okay? So now we're going to take out the x plus 4. And then we have x squared minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now we're going to factor this. This is factoring the x plus 2 and then x minus 2. So when they have an odd power, like odd number outside, okay, they didn't write them in degree 1. When they're odd power outside, usually their answers alternate, okay? So we have x equals -4, -2, and then 2. It's basically opposite the number. Now we're going to draw a line. And we go -4, -2, 2. So that means your answer will come from this interval, or this interval, or this interval, or the intercept, or this interval. Okay, this is -infinity and that's a positive infinity. Now you need to pick a testing point. I like to pick the 0 first because that's easier. If a 0 work, that means that this will work. These 2 won't work. If 0 doesn't work, that means that these 2 will work. They alternate from each other. So I put the 0 testing point. X equals 0, 0, 0, 0. Is a 0 bigger than or equal to 16? The answer is a no. So this is false. If a false answer, that means this won't be an answer. That means this won't be an answer, so your answer will be this 2. Okay? And if you're not sure, you say, well, let me pick 1 point inside to see that it's really true. Then you can pick 1 point here. So let's say I pick x equals 3. And I put it inside here. That'd be 3 to the 3rd power is 27. 3 squared equal to 9, so it's a 36. Is that greater than or equal to 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 16? Yeah, the answer definitely is yes. So that's it. True. So that means that this is correct. So your answer will be, okay, your answer will be from -4 to -2 combined 2 to infinity. Okay, they alternate. Okay, means that they skip 1. So this doesn't work. This the lesson should work. This should work, and this doesn't work. So that's for 3.7. Now we're going to try. There's one more question. It's problem number 13. I think it's 31. Let me check. This problem number, 27. This is 27. Number 27 is x minus 3 over 2x plus 5 greater than or equal to 1. So what we need to do is we're going to subtract 1 first on both sides. You want to make it on the right side, so it has to be 0. Now this one you make it to be 2x plus 5 over 2x plus 5. Okay, for the 1. And so you're going to have x minus 3 subtract 2x plus 5 over 2x plus 5. Be sure there's put a parenthesis here because you're negative. It's very easy to make a mistake. So we have x minus 3 subtract 2x and then subtract 5. Okay, and combine 9 terms, so x minus 2x is negative x, negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. Now we're going to let each one of them equal 0. So this equals 0, x equals negative 8. You add the x on both sides, and the x equals negative 8. This equals 0. That would be x equal to negative 5 over 2. So opposite, divided by 5 divided by 2. So here is the 2 points on the line. Negative 8, negative 5 over 2. It's basically negative 2.5, so it's bigger than that. Now your answer becomes from these places. Okay? So this is negative infinity, there's a positive infinity. Now we're going to pick a testing point, but I like to pick 0 first because it's easier. Okay? If it's 0 work, this will work. If 0 doesn't work, that means this will work, this doesn't work. So I'm gonna put it right here. So x equals 0. So we have 0 subtract 3, 0 plus 5. That because they equal to 1. Next thing, that is a negative. So negative 0 or 5 because they equal to 1. The answer is a false. If the answer is false, that means that this won't be your answer. So that won't be your answer. So your answer is right here. Okay. So your answer will be negative 8 to negative 5 over 2. Oh, negative 8, sorry. Negative 8. Now, because this is a greater than equal sign, then you look at the number from the bottom. This is negative 5 over 2 is from the bottom, right? So that'll be an open interval, but this one be close. On the previous part, I forgot I put open or close. I don't remember. So you that one was I think that is also a greater than equal sign. So on number 7, I probably forget to put the bracket on the answer that has a number in it. Okay, not the infinity. So you guys fix it for me. Okay. So that's basically for the homework for 3.7. So if you have any other questions, then feel free to send me the questions, okay? Once I get it, I will take a time and then record it. May not be right away, but I definitely will record it. Okay, the 3.7 earlier. I mean, on number 7, I want to write the correct answer. I think I forget to put the printed bracket. So number 7, it should be bracket here, okay? Negative 4, negative 2, and then bracket here. I think I used a parenthesis. I just didn't pay attention to, and I forgot to look at the original problems. Okay, so that's basically. So feel free to send me any more questions if you have. Also, don't forget we have office hour. If you don't want to wait for the video, you want to wait for the office hour to answer me, you can also wait for office hour. I have an office hour on Monday, so don't forget to sign up. See you guys then.